Mistake number 4, you have inconsistent data types. So when you're working in a spreadsheet and with any kind of data, you can have data which is numerical, you can have data which is like a text, it's really important for you to have this kind of consistency within all the data within a certain column. Looking at our own spreadsheet over here, you can see that, so let's look at the first column. This seems to be okay. So all my data looks quite similar. My employee names seem to be okay as well. And then let's move on to maybe the last one, which is years of experience. And here you can see that if I wanted to just see what are the years of experience that each person has, here it says 9 years, 6 months, which is clearly a text value, and I cannot perform any mathematical operations on it, while here it says 4.19, which is a numeric value. And an easy way to spot this is by seeing how the data is aligned. So text values will typically align to this side, while your numerical values will align to this side. And what I will do over here is, just to bring in this consistency, I'm going to convert my 9 years, 6 months into 9.5. And unfortunately, there is no very easy way to do this. I mean, when you're working with very large data, you can probably write a little script to fix it. But because we have such few rows, we can just do this manually. So 9.5, and I can see the rest of it is okay. Here it says 6 years, and I can just convert this into a 6 and remove the years. Similarly, over here, it actually has skipped the year format altogether, and it just says 12 months. So I can convert this into 12. So now all my numbers look like numbers, and we have fixed this mistake.